In today's video, I'll show you guys how to get ultimated money in NFS Most Wanted 2005. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the extracted folder, right click on the save editor and select run as administrator and select yes. Select the in-game profile. In money, you just need to type how much money you want, but you need to type in only 9 letters. For this tutorial, I'm gonna type it 8, 9 letters, 8, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then just copy and paste it in bounty and select the save option, and the settings will be saved. Just quit and just close stuff here and launch the game. Once you are in game, select the profile we added money and load complete. Career, resume career, and here you can able to see the same value of money we added, triple eight, triple eight, triple eight, total of 9 letters. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.